Hello everyone. Welcome to Daily English Practice. Today we are going to describe 6 pictures in one video. Picture 1. 2 boys are playing soccer together. One boy, wearing an orange shirt, stands near the soccer ball. He appears ready to kick the ball with enthusiasm. The other boy, wearing a blue shirt, is running toward him. Both boys have wide smiles, showing they are having fun. The scene takes place on a grassy field. The soccer ball is lying on the ground between them. There are no other objects or people in the background. The bright, cheerful colors suggest a sunny day. The boys look energetic and happy as they enjoy the game. Picture 2. A boy and a girl are playing on a seesaw. The boy, wearing a red shirt, is sitting on the higher end. The girl, in a purple dress, is on the lower end. Both children are holding the handles of the seesaw. They are smiling, indicating they are enjoying the activity. The seesaw is placed on a grassy patch. There are no other children or distractions around them. The grass is vibrant green, adding to the lively atmosphere. The background is simple, focusing on the seesaw activity. The children appear balanced and safe as they play. Picture 3. 3 children are jumping on a blue trampoline. A girl in a pink dress is at the center, smiling joyfully. Another girl, wearing a purple outfit, is jumping beside her. A boy in a green shirt and brown pants is also jumping. All 3 have their hands raised, showing excitement. The trampoline is circular and stands on metallic legs. Their feet are mid-air, emphasizing their playful jumps. The children are surrounded by a simple, white background. Their expressions reflect energy and fun. The trampoline is sturdy, allowing the kids to jump safely. Picture 4. A boy and a girl are flying a kite together. The boy is holding the string, leading the colorful kite. The kite has a pattern of bright colors like red, green, and yellow. The girl is running beside him, smiling and looking cheerful. Both are dressed casually, enjoying the outdoors. The grassy field is dotted with small flowers. A bright yellow sun shines in the blue sky above them. White clouds float in the background, adding to the peaceful scene. The kite's tail waves in the breeze as they run. Their activity shows teamwork and the joy of playing in nature. Picture 5. The picture shows a lively birthday celebration. 3 children are sitting at a table with a birthday cake in the center. Each child is wearing a colorful party hat. The boy in the middle has his arms stretched wide, smiling with excitement. The child on the left is holding a party blower, looking cheerful. The child on the right is blowing into a party horn, enjoying the moment. Several wrapped presents are placed on the table next to the children. Balloons of different colors are tied and floating in the background. A banner reading, "Happy Birthday," hangs above the scene. The atmosphere is festive and joyful, filled with bright colors and happy faces. Picture 6. The picture depicts a tense situation between a mother and her child. The mother is sitting on a chair, looking worried and tired. She rests her head on her hand, appearing deep in thought. The child, standing near her, is throwing a tantrum. The child is yelling loudly, with an angry expression on her face. Various objects, including a book and a toy, are scattered on the floor. The girl's hands are clenched into fists, showing her frustration. The mother seems unsure of how to handle the situation. The background is simple and focuses entirely on the mother and child. The scene reflects a moment of conflict and stress in their relationship. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe the channel for more videos.